Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. We should call it sweet project diesels today, because today is our promised winter mix for your diesels. We've been doing this for a long time and you're going to love this mix. It's extremely safe and you'll actually find they start better, they warm up quicker, the whole 9 yards. You're just going to love it. There's no two ways about it. Let's get cracking because you know we got things to do. What we like to use, if you can find the heat bottles for your car, put it in your wife's car, then get the bottles like this. They have a really good sealing cap on top. One of these bottles with our treatment in it will do 30 gallons of diesel. 30 gallons. It's that simple. Dump this in there and you're good to go. So, let's get cracking. We are going to do it in this clear bottle right here. We use, first off, the Diesel 911. And it's running out, so I used our handy dandy syringe and I put it in this bottle. So we have 1 ounce of this, of the 911. Get your paper and pen out, my friends. Then we need the diesel supplement with cetane. This is your winterizer anti-gel, 3 ounces of that. Let it drain out of the tube. Hopefully I'm not in your way of the camera. And 1 more ounce, which is right where the blue line is there. And you can mix this up in bulk so you have enough for all winter. I just put the funnel there because I'm a sloppy mess maker. And I think for all of you great subscribers, you know exactly where all the tools and products are located. Seems how Julio has the day off today. Then we go with our house, and you need 3 ounces of that. I'm telling you, you're going to love this mix. We've been using it for a long time. It works in all diesels. Let the tube drain down. 1 more ounce, right to there. And we have a summer mix as well, and we'll share that in the summer. Now the creme de la creme. You need 3 ounces of your seafoam. $10 ounces total. And all we do, and of course you can put it in your bottle. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing this for the video so you can see it actually being mixed together.